Do you manage time well?
Yes, I do.
Really? How do you do it?
I use a calendar.
Is calendar always helpful?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you plan every day?
Yes, every single morning.
Is morning planning important?
Yes, very important habit.
How long does it take?
Just 10 minutes daily.
Is 10 minutes enough?
Yes, works perfectly.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, right here.
Is paper or digital better?
Digital works best for me.
Which app do you use?
I use Google Calendar.
Is it free to use?
Yes, completely free.
Do you set reminders?
Yes, for everything important.
Are reminders helpful?
Yes, never miss anything.
Do you prioritize your tasks?
Yes, most important first.
How do you prioritize?
Urgent tasks come first.
Is that always easy?
No, sometimes very hard.
What makes it hard?
Too many tasks daily.
Do you get overwhelmed sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I do.
How do you handle that?
Take one task at a time.
Is that good advice?
Yes, very good advice.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, every 2 hours.
Are breaks important?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you work on weekends?
No, weekends are rest.
Is rest important for productivity?
Yes, very important rest.
Do you meet deadlines always?
Yes, always on time.
What is your secret?
Start early every time.
Is starting early helpful?
Yes, reduces stress greatly.
Do you say no sometimes?
Yes, when too busy.
Is saying no okay?
Yes, very necessary skill.
Do you delegate tasks?
Yes, when team is available.
Is delegating hard at first?
Yes, but gets easier.
Do you track your time?
Yes, using a timer.
Is time tracking useful?
Yes, very eye-opening.
How much time do you waste?
Less than 1 hour.
Is 1 hour a lot?
Yes, can do so much.
Do you avoid distractions?
Yes, phone goes silent.
Is phone a big distraction?
Yes, biggest distraction ever.
Do you check email often?
Only twice a day.
Is that enough times?
Yes, more than enough.
Do you have a routine?
Yes, same routine daily.
Is routine helpful for productivity?
Yes, saves so much time.
What time do you start work?
Always at 8 sharp.
Is 8 a good time?
Yes, best time for me.
Do you finish on time?
Yes, by 5 always.
Is work-life balance good?
Yes, very balanced life.
Any tips for beginners?
Plan, prioritize, and rest.
Is that enough to start?
Yes, perfect starting point.
Thank you for your advice.
Happy to help always.